When the pressure was on, when you needed a result, my word, you delivered. How was that?
Yeah, very enjoyable. I think the gaffer was mentioning before, like we thought that our matchup would be quite suited to them, and obviously on a bit of a better playing surface than we played away and stuff like that, we knew that we could really hurt them if we were good today. And I think the front four especially really enjoyed it out there. There was a lot of space and interchange and stuff like that. So yeah, I was obviously delighted to kind of play a part in that. And the defence was great as well. So yeah, it was a really good performance from the lot of us.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's quite fitting that all the attackers that Bellamy started, that you all got a goal. It kind of sums up exactly what he wants this Welsh team to look like.
Yeah, 100%. I think when you look at, obviously, the two wide men are absolutely lightning fast, and me and H love kind of dropping in those pockets and creating a little bit more, even though H got the hat-trick today. He's obviously deadly when he gets in front of goal, but I think it kind of just clicked today, and that's kind of what we want to achieve, especially going into the March camps now. I think it was a really good performance to look back on, and puts us in a good position. Hopefully we get a good draw on Thursday, and we'll see all the fans in March.